Hello viewers, back with another video. I hope you're all doing good. This is Alam. So this video is going to be all about how to add a add-on domain to your shared web hosting. So I'm going to show you how to add a new domain in your cPanel. As you can see on the screen, I am using this Go Viral host. This is one of the most cheapest hosting I have used so far, because it will cost you less than $1 a month, and it comes with more than 25 GB of storage, and you can add up to 5 domains to it with unlimited email accounts and subdomains. So this is one of the best hosting. So this is one of the most affordable hosting I have used. So if you want to know more, I will leave a link in the description. Here you can see on the screen that I have added my website on this, and it allows me to add up to 5 websites to this hosting. So to add a new domain, first I have to change the name servers. Just copy this name servers from your web hosting and go back and log into your domain name provider. In my case, I'm using Pokebun, so I will log in using my email and password. And here we are inside our domain name provider. Just navigate to your domain and look for the name servers and change it. We'll click on edit and remove this default name servers and change this to my new hosting name servers, and click on submit. So this is gonna take some time to update the DNS and the name servers. So the best way to check your DNS and name servers, just go to this website intodns.com and enter your new domain here. And here it shows my old name servers, so that means it is not updated. Now we have to wait for some time and wait for the name servers to update, because only after our name servers are updated we can go to the next step. I will pause this video until the name servers are updated. Now our name servers are updated. You can see on the screen it is changed to Go Viral host name servers. So we will move to the next step. Just go back to your web hosting and click on login to cPanel, and from the cPanel just scroll down to domains and select add-on domains. Here you need to create an add-on domain. Just enter your domain here. I will enter my domain alam.design. This will automatically create a subdomain. You don't have to worry about that, and make sure to check on create an FTP account and enter a new password for your FTP account, and click on add domain. This will add the domain for you, and here you can see if you'd like you can manage your files directly from the file manager. What it basically means is you can directly, if you have your website and all the files ready, you can directly go to file manager and upload those files here, but we are not going to do that. So I will close this window and click on go back. If you scroll down, you can see that we have added a new domain here, and this is our root location, that is public_html/ my domain name. Now the next step is to install WordPress on this website. Just go back to your cPanel, open this WordPress manager by Softoculous, and here in WordPress management you can see all the WordPress installation. Okay, to install WordPress on your new site, just click on install and select your domain. So you'll select this one, alam.design. Make sure to remove this WP from the directory. It says the SSL certificate was not found. You can install this later. You can change the site name and description later. You don't have to worry about that. And make sure to change your admin username and password. So I will give a dummy password. I will give a password and change the email, and select limit login attempts. It helps you secure your WordPress, and then you can install the theme later. Just click on install and it will start installing the WordPress on your new website. Just wait for it to complete. As you can see, our WordPress is successfully installed. You can go to your website /wp admin and manage your new WordPress from there. And if you go back to cPanel, you can see here that it says 1 add-on domain. That means out of 5 I've used 1. And if you go to domains, here you will see the new domain added to your cPanel. Here it is. You can manage and you can delete the domain from here. Alright, just follow these steps I have shown you, and you can easily add your new domains to your shared web hosting. And if you want more videos on WordPress and cPanel, you can check out my channel. I have separate playlists for that. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.